looks just like a kiwi, but mini. Super mini. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Alyssa, aka The Natural Voyager. If you're new to my channel, I typically post food related videos. Today I'm going to be doing a review on kiwi berries. If you haven't heard of kiwi berries, same. I live in Texas, so they've been popping up at my HEB quite some time for like the last month, 2 months. So I was like, let me just get these things. They're super cute. I have it from this brand called Munchin kiwi berries, and then these are from New Zealand. And then I was researching a little information, and I'm just gonna quickly share some other names that kiwi berries go by. So if I'm looking at my phone, that's why. Kiwi berries, also known as Siberian gooseberry, Siberian kiwi, hardy kiwi fruit, Arctic kiwi, baby kiwi, dessert kiwi, grape kiwi, and then northern kiwi or cocktail kiwi, and then there's probably more names, but that's all I saw. So yeah, I paid like maybe around $5, maybe a little more. They came with like 12 or so, which is kind of So these are them. These are a little a little overripe because they were sitting in my fridge, but here they are. They're super cute. I don't know if it's going out of focus. Probably is. There we go. So unlike normal kiwis, these have no fuzz. They're not fuzzy at all. They're green, and I know there's some varieties that come in different colors, but the ones at my grocery store are green. They are ripe though. They should be soft to the touch. Like, yeah, like how you would pick a normal kiwi. So the skin is edible. You can just pop this whole thing. I typically cut this like end where it grows off, and then I cut the top, just the two ends, and then I slice it down because it's so cute. And then, are you ready? Boop. It looks just like a kiwi, but mini. Super mini. They are a tiny bit slimier than a normal kiwi, but you just pop the whole thing in. It tastes just like a kiwi. When I was getting this at the grocery store, a girl was like, I'm kind of scared to try these, but if you had a kiwi, you've had these. The only downside for me is that I have eaten some, but it comes in this tin or little plastic thing, and it's filled, but that's it for like $5. And I'm like, I could eat about 4 of these in a day. So yeah, so if you see these kiwi berries or all the other names that I've already called them by, if you see them in the store, please do not be afraid. They are not exotic. It tastes like a kiwi. Please try. They're so delicious, and you won't be disappointed. If you want to see other food related content that I have, you can visit my website at naturalvoyager.com or follow me on Instagram at The Natural Voyager. Thanks for tuning in and popping into my video, and I hope you guys learned a little more about a kiwi berry, and I hope you're not afraid to go and try it. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.